Alright, welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to cover how to do your material setup and make sure that your um, axes are lined up correctly. So and just go to the big button that says design and go down to your manufacturer workspace. Alright, again, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to check to make sure that my units are correct. I want to make sure that those units are in inches. Very important. If they're not, if they're in millimeters, just click on that little button there and set that to inch. Make sure you set your default and then go ahead and click OK. So the first thing that I need to do to set up my material is start a new setup. So I'm going to go up here and click setup. All right, that's going to give me my setup window here. And my axes are definitely not correct. This face here should be my Z. This should be my my X across here, but my Y should be going up this side here. So I do need to fix that. First thing I want to do is make sure that my model is selected. So over here, I'm just going to make sure that the body is selected here, my model. So I'm just going to make sure that that's clicked off here to say body there. So now I need to set my axes. Sorry, so to do my to set my axes here, I'm going to click right here where it says Work Coordinate System. Under Orientation, I'm going to click on that drop down, and I'm going to go down to um, Z axes / plane and Y axes. So one thing that happens a lot is that you guys have your origin on here. I like to usually turn that off, but I want to make sure that I set this up correctly. So I'm going to click my Z axes. I need to select what my Z face is going to be. So I click select here, and I'm going to click on that front face. And you can see, let me move this around a little bit. So now my Z is pointing straight up, but my Y is pointing down and my X is pointing across. So now I'm going to go down here to my Y axis. I'm going to click select, all right, and I want to click this top face here. Y should be pointing in this direction. My Z is coming off of the face, and then my X is coming across this way. So now I need to pick my 0, 0, 0, which should be this front point up here. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to select my origin, and I'm going to go to box point. I'm going to click on that, and you can see I've got all these points where I can pick. And I want to pick this front edge. I'm going to zoom way, way in. I want to pick this front point right here. So now you can really see my X, Y, and Z. All right. So from here, I need to select how big my material is going to be. So I'm going to go over here to stock. All right. It is going to be relative to this size. I want to add stock offset. All right, my stock offset to the sides, I'm going to change this to 0.5. All right, and my stock top offset, I want that to be 0. So you can see the material I'm going to work with is 11 along the x-axis. The y-axis is 4. All right, and the z is 0.5. So this is what you're going to be looking at to make sure that everything is laid out correctly. If something's not right there, then either your X, Y, and Z axes are going to be wrong. So now I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and I've got my axes all set up. So go to the next video on how to lay out your toolpaths. Thanks a lot.